Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Tricky is preparing Besan Sev. It is used in the preparation of many other Indian snacks, either as the main ingredient or for garnishing. It is usually prepared at home during festival times and is very easy to make. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, all the ingredients measured using measuring cups and spoons are leveled and not heaped. Method: add in the gram flour, rice flour, turmeric powder, salt, and a pinch of Asafoetida into a large mixing bowl. Then sift to remove any lumps. Add water a little at a time and mix to combine and form a soft and thick dough. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a small pan. Then add it to the mixture and mix well to form a smooth dough. Grease the mold with oil and choose the attachment with the fine holes. Dip your hands in oil as this is a sticky dough. Then shape a portion of the dough into a log and gently fill it into the mold. Now we are moving on to the frying stage. Heat oil in a deep frying pan and then operate the mold to drop the sev into the hot oil in a circular motion. Fry on both sides until crisp and light brown. Then remove and drain on the kitchen towel. Repeat the previous step of frying the rest of the dough in batches. And again, remove and drain on the kitchen towel when it's become crisp and light brown. When you finish frying all the dough, drop curry leaves into the hot oil and fry until they become crisp. Use it to garnish the dough. And there you have it. It's ready. Crush the sev into smaller bits and garnish with fried curry leaves. Store it in an airtight container and you can serve it as a savory snack or to garnish other dishes. So thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't yet to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.